Hello, Bob Ullman here, Nashua, New Hampshire. It is February 16th, so we're somehow getting through winter here, and hey, less than, a little over 30 days, and we have spring, okay? So meanwhile, we still got a little more snow and everything, and hey, actually the snow is beautiful. It looks pretty, everything is beautiful, all the white fluffy snow all around us, and it's wonderful. So I definitely like New England, but I do prefer the warmer weather and enjoy it even more when I'm down there. Anyway, here to talk about my company that I've been with quite a while now, Vitel. I'd say about over a year now, maybe a little over a year, and I shouldn't say quite a while, but in this business, that is considered a long time. Vitel is doing some wonderful, wonderful things. Now, Vitel started as mostly just a phone company, moved into the area of utilities, also internet, cable. They have alarm systems, wonderful alarm systems. They're resellers, so we have all the carriers, all the cell phone carriers, and they have the prepaid and the postpaid, but they really have just hit a home run, and that's what I want to talk about today. They came up with their own service, actually finally a plan of completely of their own, which is cool. It uses the GSM network, which is essentially any SIM card network. Works perfectly on all T-Mobile phones, on and ones that are compatible with that. The AT&T network, if the phones are unlocked, that works perfectly fine, and any SIM card GSM phone. So you can bring your own phone, you can buy a phone from Vitel. The beauty of it is $35 a month, unlimited text, talk, and internet, or data, what we call data. So you've got all three. You could add an international plan for pennies, and it's a real beautiful offering. At $35, I haven't seen anything like it in the industry. One of the competitors, Solvay, was offering a similar thing for $50. We're at $35. Okay, that's about 33% less, something like that. So I think this is really the deal of the decade, I would have to say. And with our Diamond plan, which is only $69 to get started, if you want to do this as a business and refer, it's actually free right now for the first 5,000. We're offering it free for the Diamond on the Diamond plan. At $69, we include the phone service, which is really cool. So that's included, and that's our biggest plan. Many of our competitors charge $300 or $400 to get started in a business, $500. That's common in this industry. That's the beauty of this company. We also have a wonderful benefits package offering, which has legal benefits and identity theft and shopping discounts and travel and concierge services. Just wonderful roadside assistance as well. So you've got all kinds of very interesting offerings. Vitel really bears looking at seriously for someone who wants to make some extra money, someone just wants to save money on their phone, whatever the deal is. Get in touch with us on Vitel. My site is ihavenophonbill.com. ihavenophonbill.com. That's my site, and I'd love to, speak with you if you have any questions. My number is 603-888-7788. Bob Ullman is my name. I want you to have a great day today, and we'll catch you later. Bye-bye now.